Hello. So our goal for this video is to review the concept of a fraction for our next unit on rational numbers. So fractions are one way to show part of something. Other ways that we see parts of numbers are in percents and decimals. With fractions, they can represent the part of a whole, or they can represent the part of a group. Let's take a look. When we're dealing with part of a whole, we have one whole thing. Let's say a candy bar. And if that candy bar has 6 equal parts, if I eat 3 of those parts, I can represent that as a fraction. I have eaten 3 out of 6 parts. Or I have eaten 1/2 of the candy bar, in simplest terms. I can also represent fractions as part of a group. If I have 6 people and 3 of them are male, I can say that 3 out of the 6 total people are male. Again, 1/2 of the group is male. Another thing that you need to know about fractions is when they're represented, you have 2 parts to look at. The top number is referred to as the numerator. That is the part that's represented. The bottom part of the fraction is called the denominator. And the denominator tells the equal number of parts that make the whole thing. Note, the parts must be equal to be considered a fraction. You have to have equal parts in the denominator. A couple basic reminders. If my numerator and my denominator are the same, that would mean I have 5 out of 5 equal parts. So that means I have the whole thing represented. Whatever my numerator and denominator are, it equals 1 if they are the same. So I could have 100 over 100, and that would mean 1 whole. The fraction bar also indicates division. 5 divided by 5 is 1. If I have a fraction written like this, 20/4, or 20 over 4, that's known as an improper fraction when the numerator is larger than the denominator. To simplify that, 20 divided by 4 gives me 5. Here's another example, 7 over 2. That's an improper fraction. So I would divide 7 by 2. I can get 3 whole 2's out of a 7 with 1 remaining. That then can be rewritten to show 3 and 1/2. 3 whole with 1 out of 2 parts remaining. So that is referred to as a mixed number. Improper fractions can be rewritten as whole numbers or mixed numbers.